I thought I'd just make a really quick video about how to set up a 1-point perspective for like an interior view. So let's say we have this elevation. There's just a few things that you need to know. This is called the ground line here, where the ground is. This line is called the horizontal line. That's eye level. So if I have a person in here like this, that's where their eye will be. And then the only other thing you need to really know is to pick a vanishing point, which we'll use to construct the perspective. So let's now do these 3 different versions. So in this first one, we're going to just basically draw the same thing again. Here's our profile. So let's show the horizon line here, low down. We're going to show the vanishing point here. And all we have to do is extend these lines out like this, like that. And now we've got a perspective. And we can draw vertical lines and horizontal lines to basically capture that space. Okay, this is the horizontal line here. So this little sketch shows the horizon line as being quite low down. So this would be a person really sitting down like this. So someone sitting on a chair, say. If we set up the drawing again, and we move the horizon line up to say here, we have our vanishing point here, and we extend it out like that. In this case, it's about halfway up this. So this would be eye level for someone standing there. And if we just show the space extended out, that's what that looks like. And then lastly, so this is up higher. Extend all the lines out like that. In this case, if this is the eye level, you can see that this person, it looks like they're not on the ground, and that's because they wouldn't be. They'd be standing on something. The ground actually would be about here. And the reason is because the horizon line, the eye level is above. So we can finish this sketch off by just again connecting these, and then just to show you the difference of where the horizon line is. And just the rule of thumb is that in an interior space with like a somewhat normal ceiling height, if someone's just standing on the ground, as they usually are, they're not on a ladder or they're not sitting down, then their eye level, which is this horizontal line, is going to be about halfway up. So halfway up this wall here. So that's kind of like a general rule of thumb to remember. That's kind of useful, so that when you're doing these sketches, you're not showing the horizon line and you're not choosing the vanishing point too low, because it's going to look weird, and you're not choosing it too high. So that's also going to generally look kind of strange. Really, you want the horizon line to be about halfway up the space. You can of course adjust that. If it's a really tall space, then maybe the horizon line's here and your vanishing point's here. It would make sense that that's where someone would be standing. So that's really what I wanted to cover in this video. It's just about setting up perspective sketches and how to locate the horizon line and the vanishing point to like give you the result that you're looking for. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any comments or questions down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.